We're all bundled up because this has been the biggest blizzard since 1888. We just got 2 feet of snow and we're all bundled up. We're going to go...
Before Julian's grandparents were born. Since before Julian's great-grandparents were born.
That's right. And we're going to go try and dig out now. This should be fun, huh? Smile for the camera.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you see her?
Hi.
Mom should be able to press the red button.
Hello. We're filming.
You see the red light on?
Yep. It doesn't look very focused to me, but
No?
I guess it is. Hello, Julian. Where's the baby? Hi, Julian, in the sunlight, in the reflection of the snow. What a day. Look at the
Sunday
snow.
morning.
It's a Sunday morning.
Beth canceled church.
Yes, we canceled church today. We're shoveling out.
Big time blizzard.
Oh.
Worst blizzard since 1888.
All the youth group kids are hopefully at the church shoveling.
We'll be here all day just shoveling out from this 2 feet of snow we got on top of 3 feet that we had already.
That's right. Hi, Julian. Hi, little baby. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
It really isn't very clear. See the piles?
Can you adjust the eyepiece there that you were trying before? Does that help you?
Somewhat, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi. How you making out?
It's the problem. Oh, I can get in this way.
You have some keys.
Thanks.
Take the car out. Well, it didn't take us too long.
What time is it?
I'm not sure. The snowbank's taller than you.
Yep.
Hi, honey. How are you? Do you know what day today is? It's Easter, isn't it? I'm going to sit down and have some dinner here. Who am I? Do you remember how to say Dada? Do you remember how to say Dada? Dada. That's right. Dada. Oh, who's this?
Dada! Oh, Dada! Dada! Say Dada! Say Dada! Yeah, Dada!
Very good.
There's Dada! Are any kitty cats inside?
So you were sick today, weren't you, on Easter? You had to miss your first Easter from church.
But look, Daddy, we dressed her like an Easter egg! See our Easter egg baby?
She's cute.
She's our Easter egg baby. She's our Easter egg baby. Dada? Where's
Dada?
Dada? Dada? Say hi, Dada.
You can wave.
Hi,
Good
Dada.
job. Nice wave.
Hi, Dada. That's our big girl.
So how was church today? Did it go
Now we're going
okay?
to have Easter dinner. We missed you, and we prayed about you in church. We missed you. Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. We're going to have Easter dinner now.
Julian, who's that?
Kitty cat.
Who's that? Who's that, Julian?
She's more interested in the camera. Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Julian, who's this? Whoops.
Turn it up.
Missed it.
Eat the food out of your hair. Hello, little girls. Dada. Dada. That's your second word. Your first word's kitty cat. Daddy, maybe go find the kitty cat. We can see kitty cat. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you. Da 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 da. Happy Easter to you.
Good job. What a good little walker.
I I got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way.
There's a
Bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got a beautiful feeling. Woo! Standing like statues. Cattle are standing like statues. They don't turn their head as they see me ride by. Little brown maverick is winking her eye. We had it for a little while. For some, I don't know what we did. Oh, it sounded I guess so. Hello! Hello, wanna watch the sound of music with Mama tonight? That'd be a nice thing. Can we watch